WSH Work at Height Regulations 2013. What is the essence of WSH Work at Height Regulations? Work at height, fall from height is always the number one problems of many factories. Singapore is very small with only 700 square kilometers. So everywhere that we use, our residential places is very high, 50 stories. And then there are also process plant, there's also shipyard, and also there's also factories. There's also have work at height, fall from height issue. A general provision clause talk about preventing falling from height is more than 3 meters. Very simple. And in 2013, the WSH Work at Height regulation was finally put in place and requiring company to establish a fall prevention plan. The fall prevention plan, based on the approved code of practice, has 10 elements that they should consider, from policy to risk assessment to ladder safety to emergency and to training. Okay. Then there's actually a need for permit to work system. Hazardous work at height is now the feet is above 3 meters and company must establish a permit to work system. Followed than that, some engineering control, example, the use of guardrail and barriers. Then administrative control, holding employer and contractors' bosses responsible, as well as having training for all the people who is working at height. And finally, this travel restraint system, safety harness, and all that. The law also have a specific section on industrial rope access. So with this, Singapore no longer has the number one killer in some years, okay, after the law is established and it was taken over by vehicle accidents.